plus 1 on x to the power of 8. We have to find the coefficient of x to the power of 4. Firstly, I have to collect data, what I know and what I don't know. Okay, from the data, the value of n is 8, the value of r is I don't know, x, so let's say our a is equal to x squared and b is equal to 1 over x. So 1 over x. 1 over x will be b. Now I will substitute into a general formula. The general formula is given as t r plus 1 is equal to n on r, a to the power of n minus r, b to the power of r. This is the general term of a binomial expansion or binomial series. So I will now substitute the values in here. My n is 8. The value of r is I don't know, so I'll leave it like that. A is x squared, so I will have x squared to the power of n minus r. And my value of b is 1 on x, so I will have 1 on x to the power of r. Now for evaluating it, I will have 8 on r, then I will have x, and then 2 times n minus r multiplied by 1 to the power of r multiplied by 1 on x to the power of r. That's when you evaluate this one, you expand it, it gives you this one. Expanding 1 on x to the power of r gives you this. Next, the next thing we do, n on r remains as it is. Here you multiply the powers out, so you will have x to the power of n is 8, so we can say, so this is 8, this one is 8, okay, this is just n. Okay, now I have made changes already here, so 2 by 8 gives me 16, minus 2 times r gives me 2r, multiplied by 1 to the power of r, multiplied by, you bring this x to the power of r in the denominator. When you bring it up, you have x to the power of negative r. Okay, now we have this one with the same base, so we will have the powers. 1 to the power of r will be just 1. So you will have now 8 on r, x to the power of 16 minus 2r minus r. So here you have 8 on r, and we have x to the power of 16 minus 3r. Okay? So from here, we have to remember that we need a statement that will help us to proceed on from here. For the term with x to the power of 4, r is equal to 4. That's a statement that we need. Therefore, you equate the powers. X to the power of 4, r is equal to 4. So here, from here, we will say now 16 minus 3r is equal to 4. Okay, so now you have minus 3r is equal to 4 minus 16 minus 3r is equal to minus 12. You divide minus 3 on both sides, minus 3 on both sides, and therefore r is equal to 4. Now once you find the value of r equal to 4, you substitute back into the general term here, and then you will get the coefficient of x to the power of 4. And this is what happens. So we do the substitution. T r plus 1. R plus 1 is 4 plus 1 is now equal to 8 on r is 4. And then you have x to the power of, that will be 16 minus 3 times 4. 8 on 4 should be 70, yeah? Okay, 70, x to the power of 16 minus 12, you have 70. X to the power of 60 minus 4, 12 is 4. So the coefficient of x to the power of 4 is equal to 70. And that's it.